Target Trading Academy.
Good afternoon, everybody. Preston Vogl here at Target Trading Academy with today's Micros Market Recap. Let's get right into it. Today is Wednesday, September 28th, just at the New York close. Let's take a look at micro oil here. So we opened inside of the range. I don't know why my drawing tool is not working. See if that works now. There we go. Inside of the range in oil, well above. Sorry, not inside the range of oil. That range high was here. So we actually opened gap up from the close, and we had an initial move down. They did not like that. They consolidated, and they just had a ton of buying pressure. Had one opportunity right there, monster winner, and then they decided to close that gap that was created from Friday, and they did. It took a long time to finally let them develop, but right at lunch, they just said boop, and then they just pretty much consolidated to the right. So oil finishing positive for the day. Gold, similar story, except for this one did open inside of its range from yesterday. Didn't open at the close. It opened above it, but just had that straight buying, consolidation, and then much like oil, they just had a ton of buying pressure. Plenty of opportunities for both the long and shorts. And again, like oil, finishing net positive. Now our equities, what a slower grind today. We opened inside of that range. And I believe we opened slightly above the close. And then we just immediately had some selling, some support that they ran into. And so they bounced off of that, made some new highs, came back down. Should zoom out. That's actually going to be better for us here. And then ultimately it just started that trudge and that climb up. And it was slow and painful. It was just a grinding move up. But once we got up there, we had some opportunities for these levels to take effect, to go with the move up. And then for those students who are advanced in our rooms, they had some opportunities to go long with those trending entries as well. Similar story in the NASDAQ. Let me zoom out here for us here. We opened above that close, and we went right down and just pretty much ran into support, fought it for a bit, made new highs, came back down for one last attempt to break through. Sellers were pushing it, but the buyers said, nuh-uh, and they just fought it all the way up, making new highs for the day, just grinding its way all the way up here, getting to that HVA edge for a monster reversal short there based off the methodology. At these levels, again, if you've never seen these levels or heard of what they are, they're called high volume areas. They are given to our students the night before the next day's trading activity. So that means that the levels for tomorrow are going to be distributed to our students tonight for them to put on their charts so that they can trade this evening, in the morning, or even during the pit. Whatever time that they have, they'll have these levels available to them tonight. If you're interested in finding out more information about those levels and how you can get them onto your own charts, or if you want to learn how to trade futures, feel free to reach out to us. We are Target Trading Academy. You can find us on Facebook or go to our website at targettrading.co. Again, that's targettrading.co. Get in touch with a consultant at either location. They'll gladly show you what we do in our rooms each and every day, and you'll be able to see for yourself why we are the #1 trading education company in the world. We look forward to having you there.